he's let me come and have a little ride today.
He's let you ride his ass?
I got an invite last week.
After you shouted it out on the podcast?
Yeah, because I gave him a little shout out. I think he listened to it and he says that I'll let him, give him a treat. So here I am. I'll flat out, mate. I'll do it every day. I've come down to Jake Nicholls' track. I don't normally come down very often. It's quite far to come down to Jake's, but he has an amazing track here. And today we're here to do the team photo shoot.
Do us a twirl. It's nice that, isn't it?
Yeah, it's trick. I'm well happy. Even ordered the green goggles, brand new boots, AirTech ones. I like them. They're a little bit narrower, a little bit thinner, lighter.
You got to turn it around, but you need some help for that.
Why?
Because you can't do it.
No, I can. I would rather let someone else do it though. My shoulder. Still playing up with it.
Mate, were you skipping rope?
I don't leave home without it. Piss taking you are.
Considering you skip every day, you're shit at it. Can you do any tricks? Oh, double whapper.
Double unders. CrossFit genius.
They are doing it right. They need a bit of guidance, don't they? You'd think at their age, them being veterans, that they'd have this dialed by now, wouldn't you?
Tommy's fucking 31, mate. He's nearly retired, like you.
I know. What I want to know is where's the two-stroke at?
Do you know how to work that?
Yeah, look, you press that button and do that.
Come on, give yourself a little shout out on his vlog. What's your channel? Where do you need to be?
Oh, you need to be at
I'll cut this bit.
Yeah, of course. You cut it out, won't you?
No, I'm going to cut this bit.
You need to be at Motorhead.
Who?
No, you know. Two-stroke festival on Motorhead, that's where you need to be. That's why he's got a two-stroke. He wants to come in and get on a bit of the action, doesn't he? He will get smoked though. I don't know, Billy goes pretty fast around there. If Billy was there on the Enduro bike with a set of lights, I reckon he'd do him.
And Nathan Watson's the fast one.
Look, he's got some ears.
It's all going on, isn't it?
You just want to ride your bike, don't you? Do a stoppie down here.
How does it feel anyway, actually finally get the invite? Like Dave had to hook you up with this, didn't he?
Yeah,
to be fair, he must have struggled.
It didn't come from Dave. It didn't come from Jake personally.
I bet you didn't sleep all night long, did you? Do you reckon you'll be able to come back anytime soon? Yeah. No, I wouldn't either.
This is one and done. You can right off for the next year now.
Yeah, proper. Look at your gloves.
Cool, if you kind of look over that way. Great.
This is my forte. This is what I specialise in. Gloves to the side.
Yeah.
Doing my glove up. I've got it all. Ed's got comp today.
I said, how quick are these lot are editing? I'll get this out by lunchtime.
Yeah, get it all out before these fucking wallies do. Ours won't hit well then. It's a race, because I know whoever gets it up first is going to fucking break the internet like Kimmy K. The idea of today is get some pictures. As you can see, we've got new gear on. We always do team photo shoots. This is ours today. Handy as Jake has his track here. Just nice, isn't it? Riding with the teammates. Good day.
They're not letting you ride though. They keep telling you to do a corner.
Yeah, I know. I'll blow them all out anyway. Rough, isn't it? I think its digger's broke. I have to lend him one. The pipe. Yeah. It's real talky.
Surprised me.
It's like what? Changes the characteristics hugely on this.
That was pretty in depth there, Tommy. Characteristics.
I'm a fucking boy, mate, with the bikes now.
You'll be saying inertia soon and shit like that.
Yeah, I know.
He says it now, you just don't know what it means.
It does change the inertia of the engine. It's like into the corners, but I did want more.
You've been teaching him them work.
Ah, he just picked them up. I don't know where he's got them from.
Cheering on the locals.
He goes well, the local.
He does not. He does ride round well round here. Not as fast as him. My new pipe's so fast I've got arm pump. Thing on the ECU, dial it down. I'm having to make it a bit slower because my pipe's so fast now. I have to get on the left side now.
You have to put your foot over the front like Rossi.
Got all Banter.
Come on, slow coach, you're last.
Stand it. Out, you. I can blow a berm out, not a problem.
Well, I can't then.
Me too.
It's like,
mate, I just nearly killed Adam.
Really?
Yeah, I jumped this tabletop, landed down the side, and he was there. If you would have been coming the other way, we'd have crashed head on.
What?
Good luck.
I'm just checking the Enduro track out. Do it for Billy.
I think I'll slide off.
Come on.
Go out that right, scrub this, over there, whip there, that bad boy.
Yeah, mate. Oh, she's out of fuel.
That's the sort of motors I do, I run it out of fuel. Oh, we got a tiny bit.
It's for the vlog, it's worth it. Pussy! Don't f***ing give me the rock excuse, we don't have rocks here. You got an audience! Oh, the crowd's gone wild. Back to stop. Is this part of the rules?
He said if I make a rut, I've got to fix it.
He's got loads of machines and you're doing it with your foot.
I want to come back.
You're making a splendid job of it.
Thank you. Would Dave approve of this, do you reckon? Whips?
Didn't do it back in
No. He done a lot more winning though.
chest was breathing so hard. Like,
Me too, same. Glad you're the same.
I think it's like, I think it's just a track.
What colour wankers we
Because you're
are.
fucking old men, you fella. A couple of dads.
Team dad life.
Dad out
That's
on the
why.
Yeah, it's just puffing.
Yeah, I'm same.
Can't even get the heart rate above 160 these days.
You're not fucking gripping it hard enough.
No, we're not. He's doing it better than me. He actually is. That's all I do and all.
He goes faster, you slow down.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm getting cramps in my hips and shit from doing all that.
It's getting too flat, isn't it?
Yeah, you're like not being a flick down.
Any good?
Dave, can you put that on this corner here, just still? Come to the back.
That'll be good. What do you reckon, Ed?
What are you talking to drones for, you weirdo?
Well, it's the way to work.
Is that the money shot?
I reckon that was the one, didn't you?
You can use the thumbnail. If you can get me a thumbnail, wheelie, and I get more hits for Tommy's vlog.
Oh, 100%. Are you the new signing then?
Yeah.
You've got to be, haven't you?
Just waiting for Honda to pick me up, ain't I? Billy Bob's taught me everything I know.
To be fair, I thought it looked a little bit more like Graham Jarvis.
Jarvis style. I can do Jarvis.
Oh, you look! He's got all the skills. Not only can he operate a camera, he can also wheelie a bike better than Tommy.
Not just a filmer, mate. Not just a filmer.
Is this why?
Not just the camera.
Is this why they stick you behind the camera?
Yeah, too good, man.
Oh look! No encouragement and he's on it, look! We'll just stay here all day for you, Ed. Come on, mate, crack on.
You know what you're doing?
I wouldn't normally use one of them.
Butt plug?
That's a tool spung, not a butt plug.
Oh, it's a butt plug. Yeah.
Next job.
Well, you can tell you don't pay for that, the amount you're spraying on there.
When I'm at home, I just take that off and I just pour it on.
Pour it on.
I do a bottle of boot.
Can we see how foolproof this is and get him to put that bottle on that lens?
Come then.
Bit of consumer advice here, Thomas.
I reckon I'll go this way.
It's not very idiot proof, is it?
This one. I got it. No, it's not doing me any favours, is it, this? I'm trying to make myself look more sensible on these vlogs. Whoa!
Well, look at...
You have to put it in that way then.
Use your common sense, man.
This way around, in like that, and then twist 90 degrees.
Don't put that bit in the vlog.
Would you like to come and do the first interview?
Yeah, I'll just... Jake, because I rode here, I've got to wash his boots off quick. Do I have to wash them off because I rode here or not? Well, I'll fucking clean these for him. It's just so I can come back next time. It's fucking...
Where's that glove?
I'll do with this actually for riding in for my dirty gear. That's cushy. Oh yeah, I got a lot of hate for my chain lube on my Instagram the other day. Jokes, wasn't it? I didn't get as much on the disc as what people thought, but do you reckon that whip looked alright from your angle? Yeah. Whip was alright, wasn't it, from your angle? Jake was fucking sending it off it and all. Does he normally do whips after riding? Never. Have you ever seen that before?
Once or twice.
What, so some days he does just...
I'm not dropping him in it, none of that. I ain't like it.
What, but sometimes he does practice a bit after. You hear that, Ed? He makes out, he just gets up, goes to work, comes, does his work, gets home, and now we're doing whip sessions and that.
That's entirely what he does.
Now you dropped him in it now.
Don't fuck off.
You have. That's it. We've had a day at Jake Nicholls' house. Muc-off came, done a little bit, finished up the shoot for Honda. All in all, absolutely mega day. It was nice to ride with Jake and Jay, my other teammate. Yeah, lovely
What's
day.
going on with this 250 build? Everyone keeps commenting about
The
it.
250 build, it just takes time, doesn't it? Wobb's on it. I need everyone that's messaging me to message Wob, and hopefully that'll speed him up a little bit. But these things take time. I think maybe a couple of months. See you the next time. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you didn't, don't watch no more.